Best Hydration Backpack Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular hydration bags in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this water bladder backpack so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this backpack. The one that made our list is the TETON Sports Oasis Hydration Pack. This hydration pack is lightweight and comfortable, suitable for use all day long or overnight, and has a capacity of 18 liters. It comes with a free 2-liter hydration bladder, as well as a kink-free sit tube and a push-lock cushion bite valve. The bladder itself has a large 2-inch opening that is great for putting ice and makes it even easier to clean. This backpack is adjustable to fit frames of all sizes, and the mesh material makes it breathable so you can wear it all day. There's a large main pocket that protects your gear, clothing and more, while the Bungee cord system is great for fastening things and to use for things like cycling and climbing. To check out the full specs of the TETON Sports Oasis Hydration Pack and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/hydrationbag. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this bag. So there you have it, the TETON Sports Oasis Hydration Pack. Considering its ease of use, the quality of material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this backpack is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the TETON Sports Oasis Hydration Pack and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/hydrationbag. Alright, thank you for watching.